I like that.
Okay, I'll do it. Ladies and gentlemen, Crown Heights Affair was probably known more for their production hits, for the actual tunes that they actually played and recorded. And right about now, we're going to give you a segment of things that Crown Heights Affair producers were responsible for. Crown Heights Affair producers and writers. Unfortunately, a number of them are no longer still here, but William Anderson is still here.
Yeah.
So he was part of the production team, he was part of the writing teams. We're fine. Now, as I was saying, William Anderson's still here, and we're gonna give you a piece of what those tunes were. So, they were tunes that involved some female vocals, and so we brought on our girl from the hood, from our hood, Bushwick. Yeah. We knew her as Sandra, but a lot of you probably know her professionally as Priceless. So, we're gonna ask you to give Priceless a big round of applause as she works her way up to the stage, and we're gonna give you a little bit of what Crown Heights has produced and written over the years.
How y'all doing? I'm gonna say this again. How y'all doing? Y'all got to give it up for the Crown Heights Affair. Come on now. I thank them for having me come up here with them. They are my #1 band, my idols that I grew up on. I can't get off my horse. And I can't let you go. Say you are the one who, say you are the one who made me feel so real. Yeah. Oh, what am I supposed to do, baby? What am I supposed to do, baby, when I'm so hooked up on you? Say, then I realize, I realize that you are somebody else's. I said, somebody else's. Come on, y'all, put your hands together. Come on. Hey, come on, y'all. Put your hands together for me. Hey. Hey. Gonna get over you. Over you. Gonna get over you. Gonna get over you, over you. Gonna get over you. But tomorrow, I know I'll get over you. 'Cause tomorrow, I know that I'll get over you. Yeah. Gonna get over you, over you. Gonna get over you, yeah. Gonna get over you, over you. Gonna get over you. Search to find the one. I know y'all know this one. Come on, y'all.
Searching to find the one.
Hey, come on, put your hands together.
Search to find someone. Searching to find the one.
Gotta be more, gotta be strong, you're searching to find the one.
Gotta be strong, you're searching to find the one. the one. Gotta keep on, you gotta keep on searching, searching to find the one. I hear music in the street, yes I hear the funky beat.
And I get down.
I hear music in the street, yes I hear the funky beat. And I get down, 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 down. Yes I hear the funky beat.
And I get down, down, down,
I hear music in the street, yes I hear. And I get down, 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 well.
Where's all my club heads out here? Come on, I need y'all to get up. Come on. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh, yeah. You got to show me love. Say heartbreaks and promises, I'm more than my share. That's what I'm talking about right here. I'm tired of giving my love and can't take no way, no way. Say what I need is somebody who really cares. I see y'all over there. Come on, y'all. I really need a lover that wants to be there. It's been so long since I was so holding hands. won't do anything I want me to. Can't get my head on you. So when you hold me in your arms, you shake my body with your charm, and I just don't ever dump my heart beat. I don't see you every day, but in my own little way, ooh, I love you. Oh, you make me feel so weak. Oh, heartbeat, you make me feel so weak. Oh, heartbeat, you make me feel so weak.
Y'all check this out.
You make me feel so
Lord, here comes the hot step up, murderer. I'm the lyrical gangster, murderer. The emergency number, murderer. Still like it like that, murderer. Na 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 na.
Yes, these are all Crown Heights productions.
Na 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 na. Come on, throw your hands up. Come on. Come on. It's not a problem that we can't fix. Come on.
Come on, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? My funky sensation. Come on, y'all, put your hands together. Come on, come on. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? My funky sensation. Can you feel it? Hey, can you feel it? Ow, my funky sensation. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? My funky sensation. Hey, I'm calling all you party people. Come on, get up and dig that funk I have for ya.
That's Glenn the
I got a funky sensation.
Yeah.
That is spreading around the nation. Come on, clap your hands and feel good. It's just a matter of time. Is that what you want? An action mind. Come on, shake it, but don't break it. Well, I'm calling all you party people. Hey, come on, come on, come on, my funky sensation. Hey, can you feel it?
Can you feel it? My funky sensation.
Hey, I know you like this funk. Come on. Hey, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Come on. Hey.
God, suddenly I had this. People from me the either. Some a man to your son. I can't stand around because the closer and I know the we get a better sound. My mind's on the activate, son. Collaborate, son. I don't from the feeling that I have to make some.
Come on, hey!
Hey, let's give Priceless a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't she represent?
Priceless. I know y'all can do a little bit better than that for your home girl. Come on.
And all those tunes that you heard, Crown Heights Affair, members of Crown Heights Affair had something to do with that on the writing, production, arrangement level, something. So we all played, all right, me and Tyrone were on a lot of those tunes. So yeah, I'm playing on them, so that as well.
So y'all know y'all got to give us a nice round of applause, huh? Yeah, thank you.
This next tune, ladies and gentlemen, was a tune written by a member who's no longer with us. His name is Burt Reed, and I guess I got the job of representing him as the other bald-headed guy in the band. So I'm gonna take this hat off, and we're gonna do a Burt Reed tune entitled Sure Shot.
Yeah. For those of you from the early days, here's one that we had for you. We saved it for you. Strange as it seems, can't stop dreaming a dream. You and my dream make such a beautiful team. Hey, la da 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 la da,
Dreaming,
la da da.
can't stop dreaming.
Oh no, la da 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 la da. Hey, la da da.
Can't stop dreaming.
Then I imagine the love that we had when we used to play in the park. You and me, hey, you and me.
I had a dream of you and me. Dreaming, dreaming, dreaming of me.
Hey guys, you guys are listening to the sounds of the Crown Heights Affair. I just got off the stage with them. They are my idols. I grew up listening to them, and they are the reason I do what I do. Rest in peace to Ray Reed, Burt Reed, and Ajax. I love you guys, and we keeping it going for you. My name is Priceless. I'm so happy to be here and perform. Next weekend, I'm going to be at Brownsville Old Timers Day doing the Stephanie Mills tribute. It's another free concert on Linden Boulevard and Mother Gaston right outside. Stage just like this. Evelyn Champagne King is our highlight of the evening. I'll be opening up for her. So I hope to see you guys there next weekend, next Friday the 27th. Thank you.
who's out here with someone they love? Okay. If you're out here with somebody you love, move next to them and put your hand in their hand. I said in their hand. All right, mister. In your hand.
Did you see what he did?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah.
we'd like to also use this tune to commemorate the members of Crown Heights Affair that are no longer here, who gave us a lot of love. This tune was written by Bert Reed's mom, Bert and Ray Reed's mother, and they brought it to the group, and the group put it together. And so shout outs to Donnie Linton, shout outs to Bert Reed, shout outs to Ray Reed, shout outs to Ajax.
Yes.
Shout out to Britt
Start out for Britt
and Frida.
Yeah.
and Frida.
Frida.
Right.
Ladies and gentlemen, well, I've got the assignment. On bass, ladies and gentlemen, also a member of Unlimited Touch, original member of Unlimited Touch.
That's right.
On bass and vocals, leading background vocals, please show your love for Sandy Anderson.
Sandy.
On keyboards, ladies and gentlemen, and a Queens, Long Island product. A lot of y'all know him because he's a badass. He's out here, you know, he's been doing it.
Yeah.
And it's a pleasure to have him with us. Mr. Darryl Johnson on keyboards.
Darryl.
On drums, ladies and gentlemen, and I just got to meet this brother recently, and he is definitely holding it down.
Yeah.
So please show your love for Mr. Frank Jackson on drums.
Boy.
And to my far right, ladies and gentlemen, I had to slide this brother in here because he's my brother from another mother. No, he doesn't look like Ray Reed, a trombone player, but he's playing his ass off on tenor. And ladies and gentlemen, I was very fortunate to get him on short notice, and I'm very happy to have him aboard. Please show your love for Mr. Saxy Rick.
All right.
All right now.
And next to him, ladies and gentlemen, he was next to him anyway, but he's standing behind me clowning around, because that's what he does. I've known this brother for damn near 50 years. He took me to my first... I'll shut up.
Don't say it. Don't say it.
I'll stop right there. But he took me to it. And ladies and gentlemen, I love him to life. Please show your love for one of the original members of Crown Heights Affair,
Yes.
Mr. Tyrone Cox.
Hey.
And to my far left, ladies and gentlemen, on lead vocals, another original member of Crown Heights Affair, and I just found out recently that his son is playing with Bruno Mars. So,
All right. Bruno.
you know, so man, and this cat he's a beast. So please show your love for Phil on vocals, lead vocals.
All right.
Mr. Thomas, Phil Thomas. And this gentleman here,
That's enough right there.
with his 4 wives. In fact, I might let you introduce you. Get over here. I'll let you introduce yourself.
Yeah, how y'all doing? No, y'all got. How y'all doing? I'm a young man that came to New York City about 1971, and I brought a young man with me from my hometown. His name is Ajax Banner, and we're both from Wilmington, Delaware. My name is Skip B. Orderly. Skip B. Orderly. Skip Orderly, y'all. Give me a nice round of applause.
And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, on guitar, and the man who drives this truck, this engine, this train, whatever you want to call it, he keeps it moving. Please show your love for Mr. William Anderson.
All right, there's one more. The brother just did the announcing. You know, he's got dreadlocks. You can't see it right now, but he's got dreadlocks.
Yeah.
He also has a couple of tunes out, you know, that you're going to be checking out. He's a member of this group, and he got his own stuff, which you will check out later on. But he is one of a kind. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. L.A. Blacksmith.
Hey, one and only, new breed.
And now, You Gave Me Love. This is for all of y'all.
Clap it up, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, let's hear it. Crown Heights Affair with the legendary William Anderson, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming out today. Did you enjoy yourself? This has been the 16th annual St. Albans Jazz Festival. We thank y'all for coming out. We want to give a big round of applause to all of our vendors. We want to give a big round of applause to all the vendors, all the people who helped make this possible tonight. And what's most important, when we end this ceremony here, we need everybody in this area here with the chairs on the lawn, please move kind of out of the way. We have a big truck that has to come and hook up to this stage. As you know, the weather is going to be terrible in a little while. We want everybody to get home safe. So if you had a good time, one more time, please clap it up. Give us a big round of applause.
Give him a round of applause. Come on, give him a round of applause. He did a wonderful job. Thank you so much, as he said. This has been the 16th annual St. Albans Jazz Festival. God willing, we'll be back next year. Tell your friends about it. And like us on Facebook. Go to Facebook and like us. That helps us. Finally, we want to thank Neighborhood Catering, Dr. J with the astronomy. As he said, all of our vendors, thank you to our stage managers, Randy, and also Nakoma and Jeffrey, Strike Sound, and all the staff at Black Spectrum Theater. Thank you so much for helping support this event. Remember coming to Black Spectrum October 6th. We have Vivica Fox, and we have the production of Reunion in Bartersville, an incredibly funny comedy play that you'll love. So thank you again.
And for all of y'all, my name is Abdul Wasi. Peace to everybody. Look, for all of y'all who remember the incomparable brother, Ajax. Come on, I want an original Crown Heights member, Ajax, y'all. Unfortunately, you know, he lost his life over here as it was an accident. But I don't want nobody to forget this brother. All right, and also our brother Ron Dew. Any of y'all know Ron Dew? All right, sound off. Sound off, Ashe. Sound off. But we losing our brothers. We can't forget their memory. They dedicated their lives to music and to serving you. Peace.
Again, once more for Crown Heights Affair, thank you, good afternoon, and get home safely. We got it all in. We got it all in. Now, if it doesn't rain, we want you to write a letter to the weatherman. Okay, but we got it all in today. The 16th annual St. Albans Jazz Festival, we got it in. We're happy about that. Thank you to Robert Bass and Leon and the Peoples, because they moved their event. We're going to be doing events with them later on in the season. So thank you to both of those groups to allow us to compress the show this afternoon. So again, thank you and good night.